In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your LG window AC to Wi-Fi so you can control it easily using the LG ThinQ app. With Wi-Fi, you can adjust temperature, change modes, and turn it on or off right from your phone. First, plug in your LG window AC and turn it on. Locate the Wi-Fi button on the control panel. Press and hold it for about 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking. This means the AC is ready to pair. Next, download and open the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone. Sign in or create a free account. Then tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Air Conditioner from the list and choose your specific model. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your AC to your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. It won't work on 5 GHz. Once the setup is complete, the Wi-Fi icon will remain solid, confirming the connection. Now you can control your LG window AC anytime, anywhere, using your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home setup tips.